Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why I just bought DWAC, also known as Digital World Acquisition. Now, for those of you that don't know what this company is or what they do, and you just naturally clicked on this video, well, DWAC is also known as Digital World Acquisition. And they did partner and merge with Trump Media to create a social media platform called Truth. And Donald Trump's mindset behind it was this is going to be a site that people aren't going to get banned or demonetized from. The algorithm's not going to favor any side of a political party, and they're going to try to grow this platform. And it's almost going to be like a hybrid in between like a Twitter and a Facebook. And so they did release it on February 21st, and there was so much demand for the app that it actually was very, very buggy, and it honestly wasn't the greatest. So obviously with trial and error, they are now allowing people to sign up, and as they continue to grow their software, they will allow people in. And me personally, I really think that this is going to be a more of a high risk, high reward play. Right now it's all 100% speculation. And this is kind of what Truth, that's the social media site, has said. So right now they're expected to grow their average revenue per user to about $13.50 by 2026. And they're also expected to have around 81 million users by then. Comparing that to Twitter, on the other hand, instead of bringing in $13 per user, they bring in about $23 per user. So definitely a significant jump that Twitter has over DWAC or Truth. But you also have to realize that Truth hit 1 million users way sooner than Twitter or Facebook has ever did. They're growing at a very, very rapid rate. Now, this is obviously because Trump, right? Trump was the old president. He has a ton of people for him. He has also a ton of people against him. But I definitely think over the next couple of years, we will see a growth from this site. We'll see a lot of growth. We'll see, how large this company can get. But obviously, it's really growing off one name, and that's Trump, right? That is why people are getting into it. And I definitely think that's great right now. But looking in 5, 10, 15 years, where is this app going to be? Is it going to, favor a political party? Is it going to, obviously we don't want that, but you also have to realize that it's Trump's app. I personally think that this is going to be a more of a higher risk, higher reward play. But for me, it's definitely worth having. Even if they can hit that $13 per user in 2026, 80 million, if that just say they bring in 80 million, users, that is still hundreds of millions of dollars this company's bringing in. And yes, it is a little volatile, but looking at the chart, you can see it does have some pretty decent support right here, at this $60 mark. It's hit it several times and we get buying pressure. I definitely think right now is a good opportunity to pick up a couple of shares. But another investment strategy that I would recommend, instead of trying to time this stock because of how volatile it is, it's very, very hard to try to time it. A good strategy if you want to invest or want to buy this stock would be dollar cost averaging. And I know I say dollar cost averaging a lot, but it works extremely well for people that have a hard time determining if the stock's overvalued or undervalued. All you have to do is just be very, very consistent with your investment. And for me, is this stock going to be the next Twitter or Facebook? Your guess, honestly, is as good as mine. But for me, taking a little stab, of 2-3% of your portfolio size into something like this, for me is worth it, right? So what I mean by 2 or 3% is for every $100 I have invested into other stocks, other ETFs, other risky investments, I'm going to take $2 for every 100 and put it into a stock like this. So for me, guys, it's an absolute no-brainer investment. Understanding that there's going to be risk, volatility, and yeah, we could see a hit of 175, but we also could see this thing fall back down to $30 or even like $15 It's more of a high risk, high reward play. But I'm really excited to see kind of where it is. Right now it's rated to have about 16 million users and 800,000 monetized users. So for 2022. So I'm super excited to see where the stock goes, kind of how it plays out. Support down in here, definitely at 63, rated on that trend line. I'm super excited though. That's kind of why I'm buying more of it. I'm dollar cost averaging it myself. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you guys ask them down below, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.